Welcome everyone. In this session we are going to cover Iterator version Iterable. What are these in Python? So आज का जो हमारा सेशन है उसमें हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं कि Iterator और Iterable में क्या फ़र्क है. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like because on this channel we are going to cover Python each and individual topic from zero to hero. If you want to become a Python pro, then this channel is for you. Subscribe code with Hafiz. Let's continue. In Python, as you know, we have list, tuples, dictionaries and sets. So in Python we have these list, tuples, dictionaries and sets are all iterable objects. So these list, tuples, dictionaries and sets are all iterable objects. They are iterable container which you can get an iterator from. Using these iterable containers, list, tuples, dictionaries and sets, you will get an iterator from. So all these objects have a iter method which is used to get an iterator. All these objects, the objects are iterable objects are list, tuples, dictionaries and sets are the iterable object in Python. So all these objects have an iter method which is used to get an iterator. So the iterator using to get all these objects, we can get the iterator with the help of iter method. Let me explain with the help of example what I am saying. As you see, I just open my Visual Studio Code, the VS Code, and here I create a file with python_iterator.py. This is a Python file. Let me open my terminal here, and as you see, my terminal is also open here. So I am going to create my tuple. This is my tuple, and I am going to pass inside the tuple. We have round braces, apple, round parenthesis, and apple, orange, and inside this tuple we have another item. This is mango. Let's say we have three items in this tuple, my tuple. So after that, my iter my tuple, and if you see, if I am going to use the print method of Python, print function of Python, next iter my it, this will my it, and print next using the next and the iter method of iterator, as we learned in the earlier session what is iterator, and then my it. And I am so in this example I just create a tuple with three items with name my tuple. In this variable I am storing this tuple with three items, and then I am going to use the iter method of iterator, and then I am going to save the result of this iter method after passing this argument, as you see my tuple, and then I am going to use the next method of Python iterator, and I am passing the argument my it inside this. So let's print this. What I am getting, Python iterator.py. Let me run this command. As you know, when you run the Python code, this is our Python file name, and this is the command which you have to use. If you not use the Python, then instead of this you will use py. Py will work same like this. Let's run this. As you see, I am getting apple and orange, not the mango. If I use print next my it, this will print me the mango as well. Let me clear my terminal, and as you see apple, orange, mango respectively. So in this example I say this is return an an iterator from a tuple. As you know, the tuple is an iterable object in Python and print each value, as you see. So this is the example to return an iterator from a tuple and print each value. I hope this will make sense. So as you see, this is an iterable object, and when I get this one of them, so this, as we learned earlier, the tuple, dictionaries and sets and lists are the iterable objects in Python. So, and all these objects have an iter method. As you see, all these objects have the iter method, and when I apply this iter method on this iterable object, so my tuple is the iterable object, and after applying this I am getting my iterator. So by using this I am getting the iterator from this iterable object, and then with the help of next I am printing this. I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt you know, please comment it. Thanks for watching.